Excuse me, what time is it?
It is 10:30.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
It is 10:30.
Oh, thanks. 10:30 means 10:30.
Yes, it does.
So 7:30 means 7:30.
Yes, you got it.
When is the next bus?
It is at 8:15.
8:15? That's too early. I want to get a coffee. And when is the next one?
The next bus is at 8:45.
8:45. Okay, I can take that one.
There is also one at 9:15.
9:15 is too late. I have class at 9:30.
Don't miss it then.
What sports can you play?
I can play baseball a bit. And I can play tennis pretty well.
Can you play football?
No, I am terrible at football. What about you?
Yeah, I can play football. I like it a lot, but I'm not great.
I bet you're pretty good.
No, really. I'm not that good.
Is this your jacket?
No, that's not mine.
Whose is it?
Maybe it is Tom's jacket.
No, that is his jacket over there.
I'm not sure then.
Is it Beth's jacket?
No, it is too big to be her jacket.
Well, it belongs to someone. Whose car is this?
That belongs to Joe and Sue.
Wow, I like their car.
I know. It is very nice.
It's big, too.
Yes, they need space for their kids.
I like the new office. So, where is my desk?
Yours is over there. It is next to mine.
Nice. And where is Jill's desk?
Hers is over there.
Where is Bob's desk?
His is in the back, by the window.
When is our meeting?
It is not until 2.
Are we in room 213?
No, not anymore.
Okay, where is the meeting then?
Our new room is 216.
Got it. Where is the hotel?
It is downtown. It is near the park.
Is it near the museum?
Yes, the museum is across the hotel in the park.
That is a good location.
Yes, and the mall is nearby too.
Where do you live?
I live on the east side of town.
Are you near the university?
Yes, it is not far away.
Are you near the beach?
Yes, I live on the beach, actually.
Where is the mall?
It is next to the train station.
Where is the cafe?
It is across from the train station.
And where is the nearest gym?
There is one in the mall on the second floor.
Does your town have a language school?
Yes, there is one on A Street.
Where on A Street?
It is between the bank and post office.
Oh, that is close.
Yes, it is only 5 minutes away.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and I study Spanish.
That's cool. Do you have friends from Spain?
No, but I like Mexican TV shows.
Me too. I love movies in Spanish.
Yeah, Spanish is so cool.
Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I love Japanese food. I lived in Japan before.
Oh, do you speak Japanese?
Some, I have Japanese friends. I practice with them.
Do they speak English?
Yes, they speak English very well.
What foods do you like?
I like French food and Thai food.
Oh, me too. I also love Chinese food.
Do you like Korean food?
Yes, and I also love K-pop.
What is K-pop?
K-pop is Korean pop music. Do you like football?
Yes, I love football. I watch German football, Italian football, Spanish football.
Me too. I want to go to England to watch my team.
What is your team?
Chelsea. They play in the English Premier League.
Oh, my favorite team is AC Milan. They play in Italy.
What languages can you speak?
I can speak Japanese and French.
Wow. Can you write in Japanese?
I can write a little bit, but not that much.
Yeah, I hear kanji is really difficult.
Yeah, it's really difficult. What about you? What languages can you speak?
I can speak some Spanish, but not great. I can also speak Thai.
Wow, can you write in Thai?
No, but I can read it. Writing is really difficult.
Still, that's pretty cool.